A customer bought this ring over a year ago from Costco. Because it's over a year, they will not do anything about it. In order not to put too much money to it, she doesn't want to replace the diamond, and in the same time she want to make the band a little bit thinner. Because the band is platinum and it's thick and high and it's heavy, it bothers her a lot. As you saw when I put that white paper on the bottom, I always collect my platinum separately. I do not mix it with gold. That is just for refining purposes. And the reason I'm unsetting all the stone, you will see it very soon. Platinum soldering will take a lot of heat, especially if I have to solder with hot solder. So keep watching it until the end and you let me know if you have any questions. And I'm very sure you're gonna like it.